It's Ben again, here with Thrust Institute of Maintenance. What you're looking at behind me is a Cold War era Grumman S-2 Tracker. So this thing was donated to us by a museum. We're very grateful, and the students are getting a real good hands-on experience now with anything a plane can throw at them in the industry, in the real world. Hydraulic systems, electrical systems, sheet metal, you name it. So what we got here is our plane that we jokingly like to say we're restoring. We kind of are. We take bits and pieces apart. We work on proper logbook entries. Realistically, it'll probably never fly again. The more we dive into the inspections, the more we find that would not make this aircraft airworthy unless we sunk some big bucks into it, but that's all right. We're getting the ins and outs of aircraft. We're in the generals class the first few months here at Thrust. We're learning about fluid lines and fittings, as well as corrosion, cleaning and corrosion control, protecting from rust as it's commonly known outside of aviation. So what we're doing here is stripping off a bunch of lines, practicing cleaning out the lines, finding blockages, troubleshooting aircraft systems, as well as cleaning up any corrosion. See if the cleanup process puts us out of limits for how a part is supposed to be put together, dimension-wise, structurally sound. If we've removed too much metal, we'd have to remove and replace the part entirely, is how it would go in the airline. So, oh, you're good.